Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Ordinals sats. On Binance, it's 1,000 sats. USDT trading pair with my customer sat. Let's dive in. Guys, updates for this token. First of all, highly recommend you go and check today's video what I posted about the Ordi. And today I want to show you also the sats. So take a look. To everyone who waits some crazy gains like $1, 1 cent, 10 cents, and all of this stuff, guys, I highly recommend you pay attention for the circulation supply because 100 tokens unlock it 2.1 trillion, not even a billion, trillion. So it's impossible. It's impossible to hit $1 even after the 10 years, I guess. And of course, it's possible if they will burn, I don't know, maybe 90% of supply. We will see everything possible in crypto, you know, maybe they will do some redenomination. But anyway, with the redenomination, they will have to redenominate the tokens 1 to 100 ratio or 1 to 1,000 ratio. I don't know. Anyway, what is good? FDV in market cap equal. So it's a good one. We can work with the zone of interest and on the Binance, guys, and I will show you why the really important moment to use the oldest chart. On the Binance, you remember on the daily time frame, everything playing out pretty good one based on initiation accumulation pump model because it was a listing on the Binance December 12th. We go into the new all-time high and off. Yes, basically it was a new all-time high, yes. This one. We go into new all-time high, and after that we landed here till penny. Imagine till penny. This is how the algorithm works. So we dump it till penny to the first zone to buy. You remember this video? We bounced at 128%, so you could withdraw initial deposit. Here is a rejection at 0.61. Land it back and invalidate the idea. Why we invalidate the idea here and drop it so low? Because we can close the chart on the Binance and find out, so this is the lowest point on the HTX. We sweep just listing price on HTX because on HTX, we listed in November. On the Binance, we listed in December. So this candle is listed in the Binance. So this one, this is listed in the Binance. This is how it looks like. But that time, it was also the initiation accumulation pump model. Let me show you how it works here. Listing, drop, perfect test, 0.5 level by FIB till penny, and we go into the moon, right? And after the years, we retested this level again. This is just an example, guys, why you have to work with the oldest chart, one thing. Next one, why you can use the same levels, the same zones, even after the year. So here, this is November 23. Here's a June 24, half year. We landed back, sweep these lows because everything what we see on the chart is just simple algorithm. Sweep it, bounce it, try hold the line here. Take a look how many days we traded here. Here it looks like when we see the candles like this one, it looks like market makers just trying to change something in their soft. So here, imagine this is a 12. Every single candle is a 12-hour candle. So imagine this is a range like, let me check. So it's a range 2%, 3% range since March, at the beginning of March. So almost 2 weeks or 3 weeks we traded like this one. So it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. After that, we go into yearly open and crash it down. What happened at this time? I have no idea. I have no idea why we dump it so low. And imagine just in a few days, we dump it like minus 400%. Yes, I told you 400% because to recover back, we need to pump 400, not 80% or 90. Because here people count like this one. Oh, 80%, it's not a big deal. Now we bounce it 80% and I will be at a break even. No, bro. If you hop in here, to recover back at a break even and out, not cut your losses, the token should pump 400%. And it's kind of big differences, right? So we sweep the listing prices. Basically, we can invalidate this model. And now the reward is open to test if this is not a pure scam, because we can't know, guys. This token can be delisted at any moment. Let's be real. That any token can be delisted any single moment. Take a look. The yearly open. It's hard to count even the zeros, right? So this one. So you can mark the level. So take a look. Open the chart. Take a look. 1, 2, 3. Around 6 zeros. So this one. So it's more than real. From this current prices, it can be like 55%. It's good gains. Usually, what is good? This is order flow. This is definitely the order flow. And if in a moment we can't know, but if this is we form at the last low, because at the current moment we can't know, is this the last low or not? If this is a range, if this is just a simple range, the equilibrium of 0.5 level by FIB is going to be here. So definitely, guys, we can work like this one. So sooner or later, believe it or not, but we're going to hit the 0.5 level by FIB. From the bottom, it's going to be 1,500% gains around this area, right? So this is what we have to pay attention now, right? And definitely take a look. This is going to be the sweep of this liquidity pool. This is the main K level now for middle term targets, guys. Will we hit the new all-time high or not? It's hard to say now, guys. BTC dominance on the 65%, but yes, we still get a chance to hit even 66% and even 70%. But I hope we will not see this one. So middle term targets, guys. This is a yearly open test, second one. Now we can work with this range. Daily time frame. And of course, guys, take a look. Usually we bounce to sweep the 50% of this downtrend, right? And at that moment, we have to take a look on the macro. We have to take a look on the BTC dominance, Ethereum, seasonality, time, a lot of things. It can be just 1, 2 green candles. We can't know, guys, in the moment. That's why I would like to show you with indicators what's going on now. Locally, guys, I wish to see, of course, some pullbacks on alts. Also, take a look. This is the same order flow, right, but on a daily. So sooner or later, we're going to test the 50%. 50% it can be, I don't know, around here, like this one. So we can cut 1-0, right, and close the daily gap. After that, we can see the correction to the weekly open or even the monthly open. And the road anyway, sooner or later, will be to the yearly open. Of course, much more better if you miss it, this move, and much more better to see the retest. So, right, let's check with my customer side, guys. ADZ direction market move. All this in period, it's accumulation. We formed the warranty. The warranty on the weekly. So here. Accumulation, historical low, and here's this divergence, pure divergence, guys. So on the weekly, imagine this is capitulation zone. This is disbelief. So now nobody care about this token. Nobody believe in it. So like speculation, yes. Yearly open 155%, 100% profit you withdraw initial deposit. This is a strategy. And leave free tokens to the new all-time high, for example, or to the test of equilibrium. Direction laid down at the bottom, so it's a positive signal. It's more bullish than bearish. Trade on, guys. On weekly, there is no data. Daily, it was signal to sell, pure signal to sell, close position, buy, close position, recommendation, close position, take profit. No signal to sell yet on a daily. If you trade intraday, for example, or swing trades. Money power, guys, daily here. After that, crazy crash. And take a look how interested the market makers works here. Around 3 weeks in a row, they changed the soft. I guess they changed the soft. Push the price to the test of the yearly open, but they will start fix the profit 3 days before. So before the top, 1, 2, 3, fixation, candle, week, crazy dump. Start accumulate, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 1, 2, 5 days accumulation, RSI bullish divergency. Here is the average entry, for example, from this one to this one. So average entry here. So now this guy's in profit. This is how they work. And weekly time frame, guys, of course, here, this was accumulation on the history. This accumulation, pump. the same story. Accumulation pump can be to the yearly open. Pretty good one. Last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Take profit on a weekly. Unfortunately, no data. Daily here. We rejected the take profit line. Now, once again, the take profit line, it's this one. So 0.46, I guess, 6 zeros, yes. 0.6011. So this is take profit. This is the exit line, 1247, and the yearly open is going to be the target. Now, locally, we trade over the exit line. So wish to see the in May or in summer test of the yearly open. We will see. So guys, all targets I showed you, and if you believe in new all-time high, let's count potential targets, guys. It can be the deviation at the bottom, deviation at the top. 3,000% gains possible to see for this token. If you believe in this project, guys, just like speculation, they can put the price so high if they need it, if they want it, because 100% tokens in circular supply, and we can't know who accumulated biggest emission of this token. Guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.